the military.
It's not my business to have a loyalty check. It is for the
Among themselves.
military itself to check sa kanila if they are still loyal to the Constitution. Ano yung protector of the Constitution? That's a very, what does it mean to them? And what does it mean to tayong mga tao? Military?
Yes po.
Wala. Ako sa mesa. Sabi ko nga, ibigay ko sa lahat sa kanila ang option. Alam nila that they are serving under the commanded in chief who is Ibrahim Hakim. Na huwag nilang bulahin ang Pilipino na hindi alam nila yan. And they can already check it out to the presidential security.